ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Okay, which concept you have completed yesterday's class?
Interfaces, ma'am.
Yesterday,
Interface, okay.
ma'am, was there any class yesterday?
No,
Ah, yes.
okay, so we are done with the typecasting, right? So in the typecasting, what all are the like types we are done? Types of typecasting.
Primitive typecasting, non-primitive
Primitive.
typecasting.
So primitive typecasting completed. Okay, so in that we have a non-primitive type. So what all are the types we have in non-primitive?
Strings, ma'am.
Non-primitive typecasting.
I mean, integers can convert it to primitive strings, or
Upcasting, it's
Upcasting and downcasting.
upcasting, downcasting. I mean, I didn't heard in classes.
Refer in a not done for you, refer on time non like a typecasting concept.
Widening, narrowing, we finished, ma'am.
In that primitive typecasting, we'll get a widening and narrowing. So next one, non-primitive typecasting, we'll get upcasting and downcasting.
We didn't finish any exercises on upcasting and downcasting, ma'am. Did we?
Today only I will start new concept that is
Okay.
upcasting, downcasting.
Okay, thanks.
So what is non-primitive typecasting? So what is a non-primitive typecasting means? The process of converting one a reference object to reference type into another reference type is called non-primitive typecasting. So here we will convert an object reference into another object reference. So whenever we are converting one object reference into another object reference, we should follow these rules. So what are the rules? First thing, it should have a parent and child relationship. So the relationship between parent and child will be there. So there must be easy relationship. So there must be an easy relationship. That means parent and child relationship. Relationship exist between two reference. And next one, whatever the class or interface we will create. So it should have a common child. So if the class or interface has a common child. So for example, first example, whenever we are converting one object reference into another object reference, a parent-child relationship should be there. So for first one example, so we can take any example. So first we'll take like a birds category. So we have a different types of birds. So what all are the different types? Eagle, next
Parrot.
parrot, and something
Kingfisher.
kingfisher. So kingfisher. So different types of pigeon and all. We have a birds. So first rule, there must be a relationship. So eagle is a one type of bird. So we can convert eagle reference to bird as well as bird reference to eagle. Yes, eagle is a child to this bird. This is also one bird category. Next to parrot. So parrot also bird category only. Can we convert parrot reference to bird, bird reference to parrot?
Words to parrot is possible, but parrot to
So
not possible.
both we can pass, we can convert. So, but it should have a relationship. Parrot is belongs to bird category only. Next to kingfisher, it is a bird. So yes, so we can convert this because it has a relationship. Suppose if we are trying to convert eagle object reference to parrot, parrot object reference to eagle. This both has a easy relationship between eagle and parrot.
Can you please explain again this problem?
So whenever you're converting one object reference into another object reference, so the child class belongs to the parent only. Eagle is one type of bird, parrot also a bird, kingfisher also a bird. So we can convert all the reference one reference into another reference because all have a relationship between parent as a bird. Suppose if we are trying to convert eagle reference to parrot, parrot reference to eagle, these both has a easier relationship, means parent and child relationship.
Oh man.
But they don't have any child-parent relationship, right?
Mm. So only not possible to convert.
Ah, okay, okay.
So next parrot to this kingfisher and kingfisher to parrot. This both it doesn't have any relationship between parent and child. So it is also not possible to convert. This is the first rule. There must be a relationship. If not, it is not possible to convert. Clear with this? Yes. For a second point, what is the example? So the interface or class, whatever we have created, it should have a common child. Suppose, okay, for second example, this one. So birds only. So parrot, then eagle, sparrow and all. No, bird is a class, parent a class. These two are children's. By which we have created another class, something like a dog. Okay. So for the bird, parrot is belongs to bird. Yes. So we can convert parrot to bird, bird to parrot, because parrot is belongs to bird category. So parrot is child to this bird. So eagle also, it is a bird child. So dog is belongs to bird category.
No.
So no. So but we will try to convert. Suppose the child class is not belongs to the parent reference, like a parent properties. If we try to convert, we'll get one exception. So what, it is not possible, but sometime if you try to convert means we'll get one exception. What is that exception means? Where is that slide? Suppose whenever the child class is not belongs to parent. So dog is not a birds category, it's a something animals, right? So we'll get one error or exception. What is that exception means? Class caste exception. So when we will get class caste exception means whenever the child class is not belongs to the parent, but still we are trying to convert child reference to the parent. So that time we'll get one error, no, not error, exception, that is class caste exception. So second point means whatever the parent class we have created, the child should be similar. If not, we'll get one exception. Clear with the second point?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Take down this slide.
Ma'am, can we convert parrot reference type into bird reference type?
Yes.
Can we convert bird reference type to parrot reference type?
Yes. I will let you know that is only upcasting and downcasting.
Okay. Thanks.
Done with this slide.
Yeah, good morning, mom. Good morning, guys. This is Pallavi from management. So, today I'm here to announce your upcoming class. So, we are going to start manual SQL, advanced Java, and project and core Java classes, guys. And I'm posting the class link in a broadcast. Can you please check and see this link, guys? So, yesterday, guys, did you got the links? Manual project SQL class links? Yes or no? Please let me know, guys. Guys, are you there? Okay, I'm posting that link in broadcast. Those who are not got that link, and save this link and attend the class accordingly, guys. We are going to start manual project SQL, advanced Java, and Java class, guys. So I'm already posted all the links in broadcast. Check that. And one small announcement is there regarding that HR update. Please act accordingly. This so students be aware of this calls, emails, and WhatsApp and Q Talk. So when we share your data to the job opening, some clients will call you directly or mail you directly also. So when they call from the company, you will get a call from company. So please give update to for us also, and save the HR's number and answer the call. Few students are not responding to our calls, and if they are eligible and if they are scheduled to the interview also, they are not responding to us. And because of this, other students are struggling. Other students are missing that opportunity. So once HR calls and tell the interview so and so day, if you're really interested, tell you will go or not. And clients are telling that you're not at come to the interview, not at join that company. So keep your resume always updated with the skills. And freshers like a 2020, 21, and 22, 23, if you're not getting any interview opportunities and in interview calls, so speak to the counselors today itself, speak to the HRs today itself, why you're not getting that interview opportunity, and get the clarity, guys, today itself. Clear? Take a snap of this and go through it once. Guys, done, huh? Shall I stop sharing my screen now? Okay, I hope everyone are here. HR's number, right? Online HR's number. Please do contact with that number only and get clarity today itself, guys. Okay, one second. So those who already complete your basic Java, those can attend advanced Java. You should learn first Java, then only you can understand advanced Java. That is part two. Hope my screen is visible, guys. Okay, these are the HR's number, guys. These are the HR's number. This one and this one is for a testing student, first one and last one. And this middle two numbers are development HR's number, guys. Clear, everyone? This one and this one a testing related HR's number, and this one for development. Done. Shall I stop sharing my screen now? I'm stop sharing. So yeah, that's it from my hand, guys. And can you please send just now? Okay, Preeti, did you got? Did you got no? Dina, Preeti. Okay. So that's it from my hand, guys. And thank you, guys. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
At what time you have a advanced Java class?
Evening 7 p.m.
Evening 7. I think you can join. You're done with OOPS, right? So this week I will complete like a string arrays and all. You can join in that batch. Advanced Java.
Ma'am, how much days you take for completing core Java?
Still 2 weeks.
Okay.
After completion of Java means you have to wait a long time to get a batch, new batch for advanced Java.
Means, ma'am, we can join this evening batches now.
If you can join. If they ask how like up to how many concepts done, how many percentage done Java means you just tell 80% done. Then you can Java advanced Java you can join.
Ma'am, won't it be difficult for us if
Advanced Java is easy if you know OOPS concept and all.
Okay.
So types of primitive typecasting or primitive typecasting also called as a derived typecasting. If no, after done with the Java only you will join means it's your issue. So what all are the types of means? First one upcasting, and next one downcasting.
Ma'am, is this type of primitive or non-primitive?
This is a non-primitive. So what is first one upcasting? So parent and child. So upcasting means converting child reference to parent. So converting or storing. So converting the child class object reference into a parent class reference type is called upcasting. So we will convert child reference to the parent reference. So how we will convert? So upcasting, we are converting child to parent, means child is lower type of data, parent is higher type. So whenever we are converting lower type of data into higher type, there will be a data loss. So there will be a no data loss. So automatically compiler will convert. So upcasting implicitly done by the compiler. So this upcasting also called as implicit upcasting or auto upcasting. So automatically compiler will convert this. If not, we can convert through typecast operator, but will not go with that. So directly we will convert the reference. So how to convert child reference to the parent reference? First we will create a parent class. Next we'll create a child class. Same like a inheritance only. Child access parent properties because it should have a parent and child relationship. So after that we will convert. For example, let us take a fruit. So it is a parent. So child. So mango and orange. So child to parent we have to convert. So first we'll create a, for example, how to convert, how to do upcasting. First we will create a object of a child. So mango m equals to new of mango. Now fruit f equals to, so implicitly compiler will done this. So just we have to pass that parent reference, that is a m. So this is nothing but upcasting. So converting child reference to the parent. Now tell me which reference will be present, M or F reference.
Parent, ma'am.
So here we'll get a parent reference because child reference we are converting to parent. Now tell me with the help of parent object reference, can we access parent properties?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. With the help of parent object reference, it is possible to access child properties. With the help of parent object reference, can we access child properties?
Yes.
It is upcasting.
Child properties belongs to parent.
In upcasting, maybe. It was not before in interface.
I will not do relationship in interface only. So child properties not belongs to parent always. It is not possible.
Okay.
So here, once we did upcasting, we will get a parent reference. Through parent reference, we can access only parent properties. It is not possible to access child properties through parent reference. So this is advantage or disadvantage.
Ma'am, what is the reference? Means it is saved in the memory, it is giving the address. I
This is
mean,
only reference. Object
Can
reference
you
or
provide example,
reference
ma'am?
thing.
object is the object reference, ma'am. If we create an object, fruit F is equal to new fruit, F will be the object. Object is the
Object are
reference.
that is not a object. That is object reference. This is
M
reference
is
or
object
object
reference,
reference.
ma'am.
Yes. Now tell me how to do upcasting orange to fruit.
Ma'am, can you explain example, ma'am?
See, you want to do upcasting first. What is mean by upcasting? Converting child reference to the parent. So child, we have to convert child object reference to parent object reference. So first we have to create a child object. So let us think orange. O equals to new orange. Then what we have to take parent, we have to convert. Now we'll create a parent, that is a fruit here. So fruit f equals to converting child to parent. So what is here child reference O. So converting child object reference to parent object reference. This is upcasting. So whenever we are upcasted, we are converted child reference to the parent. Here always we will get a parent reference, like updated reference only we'll get. So by using F reference, that is a parent reference, can we access fruit properties? That is parent only. With the help of that particular reference, we are accessing those properties. Yes, with the help of F reference, that is a fruit reference only, we can access fruit properties. By using F reference, can we access orange properties?
No, ma'am.
So this is a child, orange is a child. So child properties, it is not possible to access through parent reference because children will not share their properties to parents. So this is advantage or disadvantage here. Once we're done with upcasting, it is not possible to access child properties again. Only we can access parent properties. Now got it. What is upcasting?
We are placing the child object in parent reference.
Yes.
Then child is getting parent properties but not its own properties. It is missing its properties
Yes,
in,
that is advantage.
in parent reference area. Thanks, ma'am.
Suppose you have taken another class apple. Now tell me how to convert apple to fruit upcasting. Upcasting is advantage. Again, we can't access child reference. Okay. Apple A equals to new of apple. Then F equals to A. Yes. So once we're done with the upcasting, we have one disadvantage. What is that means? Again, it is not possible to access child properties. So what is the disadvantage? So there is only one disadvantage of upcasting. So that is once the reference is upcasted, its child members or child properties can't be used, can't be accessed. So to overcome this disadvantage, I'll go with the downcasting. Clear with this first, what is upcasting? How to convert?
Could
Yes,
you
means take down.
repeat, ma'am?
Yes,
Could you please
yes,
repeat
yes.
this portion that f dot parent properties is correct and f dot child properties is not correct?
So see, same like a inheritance only. So parent has some properties, child has some properties, okay? With the help of child object reference, you created child object, okay? Can we access child properties with that reference, their properties only?
With the help of child object reference,
Can we access child properties?
yes,
With the help of child object reference, can we access parent properties?
yes,
Because child
because
properties, like whatever parent has a property, all the properties belongs to children. So children can access their property as well as parent properties. But here we are doing upcasting, means we are converting child reference to the parent. So whenever we are converting, we will get only parent reference. Updated reference only we will get. So here we have a parent reference. F is a parent reference. By using parent object reference, can we access parent properties?
only parent properties.
Yes. Now again what we are doing with the help of parent object reference, we are trying to access child
Okay, okay.
properties.
Okay. It is not possible, right?
Yes.
Hello, ma'am. One more doubt is there.
Yes.
You just mentioned that once it is upcasted, its child members cannot be used. Means that time only parent members we will be accessing only.
Yes.
And what about these child members? Means none of these members we won't be able to use.
Here not. Again, we have to do downcasting.
And okay, so you will be repeating the down. You will be describing the downcasting now.
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
1 minute. So to overcome this, we should go with the downcasting. So in order to overcome this problem, we should go for so take down this slide if you're completed means tell me. Many are not responding only today. Jagruti, you have a mock. You should be. Weekend still weekend. You're feeling sleepy.
Ma'am,
Yes,
what is the advantage of upcasting, ma'am?
we can achieve generalization. What is generalization?
Parent property is generalization. I mean, parent quality is generalization.
Which
Child
is
quality
common. So we can here specify like these all are the child properties. These all are the parent because in upcasting, downcasting, if the child is not belongs to the parent, it is not possible to convert. So what is the main advantage? Upcasting means we can generalize like a generalization. So now what is the downcasting? It's reverse of upcasting. So parent class, next child. So downcasting means converting parent to child. So converting a parent or a superclass reference type to child class reference or object reference, both same reference type is called downcasting. So directly we can't go with the downcasting. First we have to do upcasting. To overcome upcasting uh, problem, we have to go with the downcasting. So here we are converting parent to child, means higher type of data into lower type. Okay, so there will be a data loss or not in downcasting. Data will loss or not.
No.
No data loss. So whenever we are converting higher type of data into lower type, there will be a data loss, same like widening and narrowing. Will be data loss. Higher type to lower type, directly compiler will not convert. So downcasting not done with a implicitly. So downcasting is not implicitly done by the compiler because there is a data loss. So it should done explicitly by the programmer with the help of typecast operator. So whenever there is a data loss, compiler will not convert. So we have to convert through typecast operator. So whenever we want to do downcasting, first we have to do upcasting, then a downcasting. For example, how to convert. So we can take any example. Suppose a vehicle, so car, bike. So first tell me how to do upcasting. So vehicle is a parent, car and bike are a child classes.
Car C equal to new car. Vehicle
Car
B
is
equal
equals
to
to new car. Okay.
vehicle V equal to C, that is upcasting.
Vehicle. So see, this is upcasting. So now we have to do downcasting. Downcasting means converting parent to child. So whenever we are done with upcasting, we have a child reference here. So we will get a child reference. No, only parent reference we have. So that is the V. Now what we have to do, we'll create again a child object because there is no child reference here. So car different object reference equals to, we have to convert through typecast operator. So typecast operator, what to what we have to convert, parent reference to child. What is parent reference here? V. So parent reference to child, that is car. This is downcasting. So with the help of typecast operator, we are converting parent reference to child. Now, which reference we will get? C1 or V? Here, once we done with the downcasting.
Go with C1 only.
So we'll get a C1, that is a child reference. Through child reference, can we access child properties?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Through child object, can we access parent properties?
Yes, ma'am.
Clear with this downcasting. Same thing, how to do bike a vehicle. Upcasting, downcasting. Tell me.
First, with bike, we have to create an
If you're not
object.
telling me, so just text me at least. Yes, funny.
For bike, we have to create an object.
Mm.
Bike B equal to new bike. Vehicle V equal to B, that is upcasting. Then bike B1 equal to bike in brackets. V is the vehicle. That is downcasting.
Yes. So in a polymorphism concept, I gave like this, right? Directly converting child reference to the parent. Vehicle V equals to new bike. Yes. So converting child reference to the parent. So we have created object for a child. So we are converting that child object to parent. You can do directly. If not, if you are getting confused means you can go step by step. First we will create a object of bike, then we will convert. Both are same meaning. So everyone clear with this upcasting and downcasting?
Ma'am, one thing, just to be clear, for example, if we just create a vehicle object like vehicle V is equal to new vehicle, and then we can downcast into the bike, right? I mean,
Directly not possible. First we have to do upcasting, then only downcasting.
so you mean to say first we have to create a child object, then convert into the uh, object reference of the parent, and then again have to downcast into the child, is it?
Yes. Why we are going with the downcasting? Because to overcome disadvantages of upcasting. So always we have to do upcasting, then we have to go with the downcasting. Directly downcasting. Here not possible. Some built-in classes we will use. There we can do directly downcasting.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. So clear with this? Are you have a doubt? Always Nutan, Malati, Shashank, Chaitanya. They will join, they will exit. Then why they will join? Done, Chaitan?
Ma'am, this is like widening by
Narrowing.
widening in I mean these steps are in widening in like
There we will
initially.
convert a primitive type. Here we will create a non-primitive type and we will convert.
Ma'am, vehicle V equal to new bike. How does this work, ma'am? Directly? I mean that is new bike. Okay,
What is
vehicle
new bike?
equal to when we are calling bike B here. So instead of bike B, we are calling new bike.
Yes, you can do like that or directly you can and you can go with the step by step.
This is direct one, ma'am. Vehicle V equal to new bike.
Yes.
That is in that step there is both upcasting and downcasting.
Yes. Done with this slide. Okay. So now, like whenever we are converting, like if child class is not belongs to the parent, I told we'll get a class cast exception. So how to check a class cast exception? So whenever the child class is not belongs to the parent, if we try to convert, we'll get an exception. So how to check that class cast exception means the child is belongs to the parent or not. So with the help of instance of operator. So what is instance of operator? So instance of operator. So it is a unary operator. Sorry, it is a binary operator. Binary means what?
Requires two operands.
With accept two operands. For instance of operator, all the letters should be in a smaller case. So it is a binary operator. So why we will use this instance of operator? So it is used to test if an object of the given type or not what is the like a return type of instance of operator? The return type is boolean. What all are the boolean types?
True, false, 0, 1.
So boolean type. If the reference is belongs to that particular object, true. If not, we'll get a false. So true or false. What is the syntax to create an instance of? So object reference we have to pass first. Next instance of, and next type. This is the syntax. So for example, how to check? So for example, fruit. So parent apple, and next to something mango. So first, for example, we'll create a first parent class. So attributes and all we will create. And next, just understand how to check. While doing in Eclipse, we'll do exact program. So next we'll create a child class. So class apple extends fruit. Next class mango extends fruit. So three classes we have created. Child class accessing parent properties, both the classes. Next we'll create one more class. So class something driver. Here we'll create a main method. And here I will create all the classes object. So fruit, F equals to new fruit. Next apple. E equals to new apple. And next mango, M equals to new mango. So 3 objects I'm created. Now we have to check with the instance of operator. So SOP-ln of system.out.println. What is the syntax? Object reference. So let us think. We'll take a A means apple reference instance of fruit. So here what we are checking, apple is child to this fruit. True or false will get output here.
True, ma'am. Apple is
So
instance.
we'll get a true. Next SOP-ln of M instance of fruit. So mango is child to this instance of means child to this fruit. So we'll get a true. So next SOP-ln of F instance of apple. No, fruit is child to this apple. Now what will get output?
False.
False. So because fruit is a parent to apple, not apple is parent to fruit. So same you can check with the mango also. SOP-ln of F instance of mango. So fruit is child to mango. No. So we'll get a false as a output. Clear with this example? Whatever the parent or child classes we will create through instance of, we will check. First we have to pass the reference, then type of that particular class. If you're clear with this means, take down this example.
Ma'am, and this driver class is not a child class of fruit. So how we are writing main method in driver class?
Another class I'm created, there I'm creating object of that particular classes. We can create a number of classes. Through that we can access another classes. So normally static you are accessing right from one class to another class members. Non-static also you can create any number of classes. Whenever you want to access one class like members into another class, for non-static you will create object. Already you have done many programs.
Yes.
Today Vipin is not there. Who Vipin's also not there. Yes, if you're done means open Eclipse will do program. Done with this. Okay. Okay, so create a class. So we can create any class. First, parent is a vehicle. So here, vehicle attributes. So what all are the attributes of vehicle?
Wheels,
Okay, brand. Number of. Next.
steering or handle, lights,
Okay,
price.
price, mileage. So this is a parent class. Here I'm created some attributes of a parent. Okay, so after that, generate the constructor. Go to source, select generate constructor using fields option. So for all the fields, we want a constructor just to generate it. So parent class, attributes, and generate the constructor. If you're done with this code means tell me. Completed Chetan, okay. Okay, next to create another class. So car, finish. So your child class is a car. So car extends. Parent. So here if you want to create attributes of a car, you can create. So tell me something different attribute.
Airbag, four seats, number of seats.
Okay. Color, number of seats.
Rear mirror, GPS,
Okay, so what are the remaining attributes you want? Create it. After that, generate the constructor. So go to source, select generate constructor using field option. So you will get only two fields which is present in a child class and a generate. Now you will get parent attributes along with the child in a same constructor. Is done. Okay. After that, create a main method. We'll create object of a car, child class. First, we have to do upcasting. So, how to do upcasting?
Creating child class.
Car equals to name of car. So, inside a car class, did we created parameterized constructor? Yes. So, we have to initialize all the things. Brand of a car. Body, number of wheels. How many wheels?
4 wheels.
Mileage. If you will not answer means I will not write.
4,500.
4,500 kilometers. We are taken integer. Next price.
10 lakhs.
Double. Next.
We have to create
Color.
gray,
After that, number of seats.
5 seats.
Black color car white. Okay, 6. So we are initialized all the attributes. So now upcasting. The vehicle V equals to C. This is only upcasting. Know how to do downcasting? So you're upcasted, right? You can print through object reference V. You can access all the parent and child properties. So you can check while accessing child properties with the help of V reference, you will get error. Know how to do downcasting?
It will be equal to
Vehicle V
cos
equals to downcasting.
downcasting car
Car
car C equal to vehicle, sorry, car C equal to car
typecast operator car.
car V, car vehicle V,
And this is
downcasting.
now through this child object reference we can access all the properties. So do one thing, just to create a method and print here, call the method. That is also one way to print all the details. So this out c1 dot brand c1 dot color c1 dot mileage number of sites
Price.
number of wheels and price. So now through this c1 object reference we can access all the properties. So just a save and run, you will get all the properties output. Clear with this example? And you want to check, okay, whether instance of so sys out c1 instance of vehicle true or false. False. You'll get a true. Car is child to vehicle, yes. If you check reverse, what you will get? Vehicle instance of car. You will get a true. Why you will get true here also? Actually, it is a false. Here we did upcasting. We are converting the reference, so we will get a true. Got the output. Okay. So if everyone done means tell me. Vehicle class. This is vehicle class. Create a class. Their attributes.
Ma'am, please change the screen to.
1 minute.
Ma'am, why did we get V instance of car is true?
Because here we did like we are converting right reference. Car reference to vehicle. Vehicle reference to car. So if you are not converting, if you are creating separate object, then you will get exact output.
I mean, how does that work, ma'am? Initially, upcasting completed, then we do downcasting, we will get.
Yes, here vehicle class, like vehicle parent reference you're converting into child. So always it will be child reference. Here there is no parent reference. So if you check, okay, we instance of car. So here currently child is there. So it will accept like a vehicle also child to this car. Suppose if you have created separate object, just execute this program. If you got the output means tell me.
We'll execute, separate to ma'am, please.
Separately you have to create both the class objects. Then you have to check. Done with execution. Okay. I will not remove anything. Just I will comment. No, you created vehicle object. Again, in vehicle class, we have a constructor. So something brand, wheels, mileage, and price. I will just copy this. Now, if you check, okay, this out, both are separate object. Here we are not doing any casting. So see instance of vehicle. So what we have to get output? It's a
And
true.
for instance of vehicle. True.
So sys out. Now what we will check? V instance of car.
We should
Now
be
what we
for.
will get output? It should be false. Whenever we did upcasting, always will get a true. If we are created separate object and we are checking in, so we'll get exact output. Yeah, no clear with this. Okay, done with execution means I'm updating the notes. Check once. Okay, if you're done with this code, got the output means you can leave. All are done. Okay, then bye, love you. Thank you.